ladies, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So today I wanted to run through with you what I'm doing right now for great skin. I try new things all the time. I have vendors sending me stuff pretty consistently, or I might go buy something and just try it out. I'm always wanting to try new things for myself and also for you, because I want to offer you products and recommend products that I really believe in. I don't recommend anything I don't believe in. I actually don't have the capacity for that. I can't, talk to you about something that I actually don't love and haven't tried. So little heads up there on me. But having said that, I did want today to go through exactly what I've been using and what I really love. So before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com and also hit the bell here and subscribe on YouTube so that I can continue making great content for you. Let's get going. All right, so to get started, great skin starts with, believe it or not, what you eat. All right, so what you goes in your body shows on your skin. You cannot separate, you can eat really bad food, lots of preservatives, lots of fried foods, that sort of thing, and have great skin. It just doesn't work, okay? It really affects your body. The skin is the largest organ in your body, so what you put in has every effect. It is 80% of your skin condition is what you put in it, okay? What you're eating, what you're drinking, that sort of thing. So I'm sharing what I do. So what I do is I really only drink water, and I really am a fan of tea. If you watch my videos, I'm a huge fan of tea. I love tea. And people say, don't drink caffeine. I drink a little caffeine. I have about 2 cups of coffee a day and maybe a cup of caffeinated tea. So I don't think that's too bad. I think I'll survive it. But I also feel like you got to live, right? But as far as other liquids, like water, I don't drink soda. So I really stick with pure spring water, so not from the tap, unless you have a really good filtration system, because there are things in the water that are just not good for your body. It's really important to go towards spring water. I buy all my water. I know some of you think that's ridiculous, but I do, unless you have well water, I think. But for me, I don't. So I buy on my water and I put a lemon in it every morning, and I drink 64 ounces of water a day. This is my water jug. I drink 64 ounces. So that means I run to the toilet all day long. Yes, my kids are always like, really? You're peeing again? Oh my God. But it makes an enormous difference. It helps to move toxins out of your body, helps keep everything moving. Okay. It's all about keeping everything moving with elimination, with keeping all your organs working, and water is huge. I know sometimes some of you have a really hard time drinking a lot of water. It can be really, some of you don't like water. That's why I buy spring water, because it tastes so amazing and I love drinking it. All right. So that's that. And then with food, I eat, vegetables, organic vegetables, steamed or roasted. I don't fry or even saute, actually, because for me, the change in the oils when you saute really affects my body, affects my skin. So that's just what I do. You don't have to do that. But I eat a ton of vegetables. I eat about 4 cups of vegetables a day. That's a lot of vegetables. And that's what gives you great skin, is really eating foods that are really rich in nutrients and minerals. And vegetables are just so primary. Many of us don't eat enough vegetables. So that's why I eat so many. I also eat, protein, different protein sources, like I like chicken or fish or, sometimes chickpeas, or I don't know, whatever you like to eat. But the key component here is I never fry anything. Everything is roasted or, steamed if it's vegetables. So that keeps all the nutrients really in there. Okay. Then the next thing I would say after that, after what you drink and what you eat, those are the most important things, believe it or not. The most important things. That's why I start with them. The second thing I do is I do supplements. So I do supplement my diet. I take probably about 15 vitamins a day. Some of you think that's insane, but I do. I'm not going to go through all of those. I have done videos on that, and especially talking to Ben Fuchs about from Truth Treatments about what he recommends as far as supplements. I will put that in the upper corner. Very important video to watch. But I will say vitamin C is one of the most important vitamins you can take for your skin. So this is 1,000 milligrams. I take 6 of these a day. So 2 for breakfast, 2 for lunch, 2 for dinner, which is a ton of vitamin C, but it is very healing, cures a lot of illnesses. It's fabulous. You can't overtake it. What your body doesn't use, it eliminates. I also do omega-369 oils. I'm huge on this. This is 1,200 milligrams. I take 5 of these a day. So 2 for lunch, 2 for breakfast, 2 for lunch, 2 for dinner. Amazing difference though, huge. I also take flaxseed oil and cod liver oil. So the other one I take is collagen. So this obviously helps with collagen growth in your skin. I take it in a tablet form. This is a Truth Treatments. It's not tablet, but it's a vitamin of collagen recovery. So this is great for building collagen and keeping your skin plumped up. I love this stuff. It has a big impact. Okay, so those are vitamins. Totally recommend that if you don't take supplements. I think get good supplements. I like this brand. I like the Now brand. Those are really efficacious, really work really well. All right, so now let's get into topically what I do on my skin, which is about 20%, believe it or not. So 80% is everything else I just went through. 20% is actually topical. People don't tell you that. It's so true, okay? You don't believe me? Look at my skin. My skin's in such great shape, and that's why you got to really do that. Okay, so I use Hyaluronic Honey Cleanser from Truth Treatments. Everything I'm using right now is Truth Treatments. I'm on a Truth Treatments binge, but I love this cleanser. I really just clean my face at night. I don't clean it in the morning. I feel like in the morning it's not dirty. I just rinse it a little bit, put a little bit of moisturizer, and off I go in the morning. And the moisturizer I use in the morning is Sea Balm, which is also, again, Truth Treatments. So I really love Sea Balm. It looks like this. It's really super duper hydrating. It's just one of my most favorite products when it comes to hydration. And I tend to do my next steps in the evening. Unless I'm going to be on camera, then I'll do these in the morning. But I use the Truth Trifecta, which is Transdermal Sea Serum, Hyaluronic Mineral Hydrator, and Biomimetic Mist. I mix these all together, and it's called the Truth Trifecta. And I'm going to do it here for you just to show what I do. So I do 2 drops of sea serum, which is heavily laden with vitamin C, 2 squirts of hyaluronic mineral hydrator, and 2 pumps of the Biomimetic Mist, which really helps the efficacy of it. And I put it everywhere. I do this in the morning a lot. I know I said that I do it in the evening. That's only true some of the time. I'm actually a little inconsistent in my life. Like, I'm a creative, so I'm not like Miss, get up at the same time every day, do the same thing. I tend to sort of I'm a bit of a toss-up, when it comes to what I do every day. So if I'm going somewhere, I use the Truth Trifecta, and especially if I'm going to be on camera. Sometimes I use them at night, but I love this. It immediately plumps up your skin, has a huge effect on just the health and nutrition and the glow of my skin, which I love. And then every single night, I have been using, and I do use this at night because I take a shower at night. I've been using the Energy Microcurrent facial device, which is new with True Treatments. I've recently done a video on it. I'll put that in the upper corner. I love this. This is absolutely fabulous. It has 2 modes with 4 levels on each mode. It is one that retails $199. And I would spend that just to go to the esthetician to have this done. So the fact that you have it at home and can do this at home and have the same effect, I feel like the effect is the same when I do this at the esthetician or if I have this device. It really works. I think it beats out new skin. I'm very excited about this. And I use it after I put all my products on my skin. I use the it's called Electroderm. This helps conduct the electricity of the device because it's an electrical device, an EMS device, helps the electricity to get beneath the skin, beneath the basal layer, and affect your muscles and the tone of your muscles, helps with collagen production, just does a magnificent amount of things to your skin. But I have noticed with this and the products that I have had like my skin like has plumped up, especially through here. This is kind of my weak area, right? And I'll show you what I do. I do 2 pumps of the Electroderm. And then you take the device, and I'm going to do mode 1, level 2. And just start using that in the way that is described in the pamphlet. You find the pamphlet. It comes with a pamphlet which explains exactly how to use it. And you just start using this. I do this. I've been doing it every day. And I have really noticed, I've really noticed it working and plumping up. Now, some of you feel like this is just way too much to do. It's like, I I would never do that. That's crazy. So I'm just telling you what I do and what has made a big difference for me and what I'm in love with. But you do you. You do what works for you. Obviously, I go to great lengths because I'm really into this. I've been in the industry for about 35 years. So, I've tried a lot of products. I've seen a lot of products fail. And this is really the system that I have noticed the biggest amount of difference for me, that really helps my skin look and feel really amazing and plumped and enriched with collagen and, super healthy, which is really what we're going for. We're going for great health, right? So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Please write any questions you have down below or thoughts or, anything you'd like to say. I always respond and I'd love to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.